guys, welcome back to PerkyTomato, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these super cute DIY 18-inch model earrings. There are 3 kinds you can make, and yeah, they are all very simple and stylish. So also, thanks so very much to Creative Minds Art for giving me this idea, and if you like what you see, just keep watching. Okay, so the things you are going to be needing to make this craft are some thread and or some embroidery thread like this. Wire, I have this copper wire, but you can go to the craft store and get like silver or gold, and make sure, like, I don't know what gauge this is, but make sure that you can bend it pretty easily. If you don't have any wire on hand, you can actually use a paper clip instead as a substitute and just unfold it like so. And last but not least, scissors and wire cutters if you need them. If your model's ears are not already pierced, or you just need to widen their hole a little bit in their ear, here's what you're gonna do. Warm up their little plastic ear with a hair dryer and make sure not to melt their hair, which you probably won't do, but just make sure you don't do that until you can like squish it and it's soft. Then you will carefully take a push pin and slowly stick it in their ear nice and straight. Since my model's ear is not warmed up, this is a lot harder, but move it in, and then if it's all warm, you can actually just like wiggle it around to widen the hole. And then to get it out of the ear, it might be kind of stuck, so I just kind of wiggle it out like so. And here are some bonus tips to piercing your model's ears. Alright, so let's get into the earring making. So I'm going to start off with some wire, and I'm just going to kind of take it here. And I'm going to start by wrapping just a little bit around something round like so, and we're going to be making a little hoop earring first. So I'm just wrapping it around like this, like so. Oops, and then you can kind of adjust it. I like wire because, you know, you can pose it. Not really pose it. So now we have this little hoop. We're going to bend this wire up like this using our nail, just like that. Very easy to move if you get a easy wire. Then you're going to move a little bit farther up and just move it like this so that we have that, and then we're just going to cut it, and boom, you got your very first hoop earring. I just repeat that same thing to get 2, and these are literally so easy. Here's what they look like on Miss Mindy. I literally just love plain hoops. Oops. There, I just love plain hoops. They look so cute with any outfit, and yeah. Okay, so I'm starting with my wire, and I'm going to be taking a pencil, and I'm going to wrap my wire around it, just like I did for the other one. And then you want to bend it up like this, and then bend it back, and then cut off a little bit, so that we have like this mini little tiny hoop of an earring. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking some thread or embroidery floss like this, either one, and I'm going to start by wrapping it around something. I'm just going to wrap it around this, and I'm going to like put my finger here. Put my finger here as well. And we're just going to wrap it around several times. Some thread, oops, and I have my thread in this little box so it won't roll away. Okay, so I'm stopping right about here, and now I'm just going to cut off the extra thread. Oh my gosh, actual struggle. Once you have it cut, you're gonna wanna kind of like remove your finger from the thread like this, so that we have this nice little loop of thread. And so then what we're going to do is we're gonna take one of our little earrings, and you see where it's open right here, where you can just like open it? You're just gonna open it slightly and put the thread, put it through the thread like this, so that it's looped on there, and then kind of just close it with your wire. So now we have this little loop of thread on the wire. Then you just want to kind of smooth it out. Okay, so then with some more thread of mine, I'm going to be wrapping it around the top and leaving a little bit on the edge like this. So basically it looks like this. Thread's over here, and then I'm putting it over, and then we're just going to start wrapping it around here. Kind of hard to explain. You're just gonna have to watch and learn, people. Watch and learn. Okay. Okay, so once you feel like you wrapped it around several times, you're just going to cut off the extra thread, leaving a little bit. So that what we want to have these 2 long pieces on the end, and then we're going to knot these. So, yeah. There we go, and then just do another one of those half knots. Okay, I got it, guys. It was like 10 times easier to do it off camera because it's really hard to reach around the camera and then lighting and everything. So I did it off of camera. It was way easier to do it off camera, so don't be scared at all. Like, it was so easy. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to cut off the extra pieces of thread on the ends. And actually, you could probably just cut them like kind of long because then they could just blend in with the rest of it. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to cut our tassel. So you can cut it to be pretty long. I'm going to cut mine to be like right here. Wow. Beautiful. Okay, so we have our very first little tassel earring. And if you don't want it to slide off, you can actually use a little bit of hot glue. Here, let me actually show you how to do it. Okay, so like this, basically I'm moving this to the side and then just putting a little bit of hot glue right in the middle, like this, and then bringing it over on top of that hot glue, like my little tassel, and then pressing the hot glue so that it just doesn't go anywhere. So yeah. Okay, so I finished the second one and now I have 2 little tassel earrings. Aren't they so cute? I know, they're so cute. Okay, and here's what the earrings look like. They are literally so cute on her. I love them so much, and yeah, they're really easy to make. So now moving on to the next earrings. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm going to show you guys how to make little pearl stud earrings. So you're gonna grab some wax or parchment paper, and what we're going to do is we're just going to make a little droplet with hot glue on it to be like a round thing, kind of. Then just kind of do like this, like so. Make 2 about the same size, and we're gonna let this completely dry before we do anything. Okay, and then I have this like pearly nail polish that I have, white pearly. If you don't have this, you could use like white metallic paint and put it over my little hot glue ball. Mine to do several coats, kind of put it over like this, and I probably will have to do like 2 coats. So now once your little dots have completely dried, you are going to just carefully remove them from the wax paper, and there might be a little bit left around the edge, but that's okay. And we have a little pearl earring, and we're going to do the other one. Yeah. Okay, so now that we have our little earrings detached from the paper thingy, what you're going to do to put them on your model is just grab a little bit of poster putty or blue tack, yeet it onto the back, like so, and then just plop it onto your model's ear. Okay, and here's what these earrings look like on a model. They are so cute. I love them so much, and they're really easy to make. Alright guys, that was basically it. Also, I ended up making another pair of tassels, but in blue, and yee. And let me know if you make this craft. I'd love to hear from you, and yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, because I love talking to you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all, share the channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.